How long have you been searching? Patiently waiting for the right place to come up for sale. You know the one. It's got to be charming. It's got to have acreage. It's got to be in a great location. Oh, it's got to be completely renovated. Say hello to 1637 Highway 62. This adorable church has been completely reimagined into a bright and sophisticated living space. Surrounded by raised garden beds on one side and a lovely yard on the other, there's something for everyone here. A relaxing and peaceful oasis for anyone trying to get away from it all. Come for a visit, stay for a while, and you too can call the county home.